Alright, class, so last time we definitely take a look at on some vocabulary and then nakaton mo unsay Korean terms. For example, the milk, uyu, which is uyu. You also learned about nakaton sad mo about cucumber, about child. So that's in the previous video. So karon, let's try to take a look at this one. Ang kani siya, this is writing. So ang inyong buhaton is you have to do it in your notebook, in your answer sheets, and practice writing 1 to 4. So we have here these are the words that atong nakatunan last time, no? So we have I. So you are going to write boxes like this one and suwat mo mga boxes and then you follow giunsa siya pagsuwat. Okay, so we have here one word. Yeah, duha ni siya ka syllable. So this mo ni ang primero nga syllable. This is the second syllable. So you have to fill in the blank spaces in every item or in every row with the same, with the model. This is the model. So don't forget kung yun sa siya pagsuwat, wao lang sa ito ang pagsuwat. Okay? Mo follow lang sa ta sa model. So tanawon ginato, this is the initial, and then we have the vowel, initial, and then the vowel. And if you notice kanisha, this is the horizontal vowel. This is O. If you notice, ni-connect siya sa ato ang iyong, which is our initial consonant, right? Pero kani, wala siya ni-connect na ay space. Okay? So though with this one. And kani sad siya. So please follow. You have to do it in your seats or in your worksheets, in your notebook, in your paper. So please practice writing. Kay kung dili ta mag-practice of writing, dili gyud ta makamao kung saan pagsuwat. Ang kinahanglan gyud mag-practice. So do it on your seat. Okay. Okay. All right. So I hope nakabuhat na ninyo. So atong tan-aw, inig musuwat mo sa vowels class nga kaning a, o, and u. The strokes must be joined. So dapat walay space or kinahanglan mag-connect gid ni sila, ha. And you can clearly see it sa example, no, sa model. So kung wala pa muna magsuwat, palihog tiwason og suwat, dayon mag-practice. Okay, you can even write as many as you want, dili lang kaning 5 ka buok. Pwede gid mo magsuwat class og napo. Okay, 10 ka words. So keep on practicing. Okay. Okay, so example kani siya, ang atoang iyong, so this is the stroke. It is only one stroke. Kita mo ni it's one. So you begin here and then go up and then connect. This one, it's 2 strokes ang kani nga vowel, pero kay bawal ta kani siya nga syllable gi-combine ang tanan niyang stroke. So kani one stroke, ya duha man diri. So that's why we have 3 strokes all in all. So this is the first character, this is the second, and the second character has 2 strokes. So you will begin mag-una ta sa vertical line and then we follow it with a horizontal line. Okay? So always keep that in mind. Next, so karon nako i-play nga audio file. Ang inyong buhaton is maminaw, carefully, listen carefully, and choose the correct syllable. Okay? Before I reveal the answer, sa dili pa nako i-reveal ang answer, kinahanglan mo, pili pud mo, and let's see if ang inyong mapilian sakto ba. Okay? Alright, so let's start. Listen carefully.
1.
I will play it again. I will play the audio file twice.
1.
So, asa diha ang tubag sa number 1? What's your answer? Okay, let's try to check if your answer is correct. Okay, your answer is correct. It is A. Next, listen carefully.
2. Yo. 2. Yo.
Okay, so asa diha? Is it 1 or the 2? Is it the first option or the second option? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, you got it right. It is the first one. Next, the third one, the third item.
3. 5. 3. 5.
Okay, I hope you already have your answer with you. Asa man ani? Ang kaning una or ang kaning ikaduha? Okay, let's try to take a look at. I think you got it right. Okay, it's the first one. This is
3. 5.
O. Okay, next, the fourth one.
4. You. 4. You.
All right, so is it the first one or the second? Which is which? Okay, I think you have in mind, what you have in mind is correct. It's the, okay, second one. The last item?
5. 5.
Okay, all right. What is the answer for the last one? Sa itubag, ang pilmero or ang ikaduha, it is the, okay, ang pilmero. You got it right. So, again, I will play the audio file one more time for each item.
1. 2. Yo. 3. 5. 4. You. 5.
Okay, so the first one we have a, the second one we have ya, the third one we have o, the fourth one we have you, and this one is you, and the fifth one we have Okay, this is All right, next. Okay, listen carefully and number the words as you listen. So I will play the audio file, and the first this is the model. The first word is given for you. So let's just check if it's correct. For sure it is.
1.
O, diba? So, ang giingon sa audio file, So, muna ginambiran og 1. So, itong tan-aw, ug asa diri sa mga boxes, ang butangan nato og 2. Okay?
2.
우유,
2.
우유,
Okay, so asa man? The number 2 is uyu. Asa man diri ang uyu? It is, okay, this one. Probably correct. Next.
3.
오이,
3.
오이,
Okay, asa man class? Uy. Uy. Right? You hear that? So which is which? Okay, this is the third one. Next.
4.
Fourth one.
유아,
4.
유아,
Okay. Yua. Yua. Where is Yua? Alright.
4.
유아,
Okay. We have, okay, this one. And the last,
5.
여유,
5.
여유,
okay. Where is Yayu? Yayu.
5.
여유,
Yayu. Okay. Is it this one or this one? Alright. This one. Okay. I hope you got a perfect answer for this practice. Now let's proceed to the next. Okay, consonants cannot be used alone. It should be combined with a vowel to form a syllable. Tinuod yun siya class, kung moingon ta og consonants, wala gyud tay word no nga consonant ra. Kay sa Korean language, it's always a combination of consonant and vowel. Ya, kung napagitay consonant sa ubos mo na itawag na to batchin. So let's try to take a look at these consonants. No? we have the sound value. This one k. This one is n for the n, t, d, r, b, s. Then silent, ch, j, and for hit. So let me just present to you how it should be written. Unsa ni siya pag suwat. So maguna ta diri kani siya ang giyok. Giyok, it only has one stroke. Okay, so maguna ta dira ana, then go down. Niyon has one stroke also, so we go down and then side. For the digut, it also has, it has two strokes, so go this way first, and then you go down and do like that. Real, it has three strokes, so we go sideward here and down, and then you close it, and then, okay, this is the third. And then we have miyam. So, obviously, unsaong pagsuwat ni siya, naaman ni sa inyong hapong module, makita ninyo class ang number, sumudyo na inyong i-follow, ha. Dili pwede nga magbuot-buot mong inyo, ha, nga, bisag unsa lang inyong unahon og suwat, as long as maulang siya og kanang pamurma, no. You have to follow the stroke. So, for miyam, it is done this way. This is the first, okay. You're going to do it this way, first, second, and then third. So we have first, second, and third. For the biyap, we have first, second, third, fourth. For the shiyat, this is first and then second. And then for the iyang, we have here one stroke only. And then this one, jikit, we have one and then two. And then here we have, this is one, the second stroke, and then the third stroke. Alright? So, please do make sure nga inyo yung hinumduman og memorize ninyo ba ang unsaon siya pagsuwat, unsay iyahang stroke, and those things. Okay? Next. So, this is a closer and a bigger image of the characters earlier. So, para makita gid ninyo yung tarong mauni siya. So, we have here the first, this character, Giyok. It has this stroke, one stroke. Nian also has one stroke. This one has two strokes. So, una kadere, you go down. And then, and then Real has three strokes. So, you go it this way. And then, you close the one at the hand. Then, you go down. And then, for the Nian, okay? So, follow the one in broken lines. And then, you'll be all right. You'll be good. Next, remember, make sure all four corners are closed so that the meal is a closed square. So, kahibaw mo, kabantay mo, ang uban siguro sa dinali-dali, class padili ninyo tarongon og suwat. So, ang mahitabo na asya murag na siyang pangag, no? Or na asya space, or na asya blank. So, it's wrong, ha? This is wrong. It should be closed. This one should be closed. Not like this. And when writing the Neon and real, make sure that none of the strokes overlap. So, dili ang mga strokes mag-overlap. Okay, this is wrong. Dapat dili sila mag-overlap. You should remember that. Kay kita ko ang uban ninyo magsuwat mo when you write it, i-overlap ninyo ang mga lines. No, this is wrong. You have to do it right. Okay, next. This is writing order for the other consonants. So, please pay attention for the biyat. We have four strokes. So, mag-una ta diri one, and then we go in this side. This is the second, and then we close it sa third, and then the final closing ang fourth stroke. And then for the shiyat, it has two strokes. You go straight like that, and then kanisha, kaduha. And then iyang has only one stroke. For the jigat, we have two strokes. One, and then two, and then here we have three strokes. So, kinahanglan i-follow ninyo na class og unsay proper stroke good. You should always keep that in mind. Kay dili pwede nga dili ninyo i-follow. No? Kay og dili ninyo na siya i-follow ang mga proper stroke. The tendency is you wouldn't be able to memorize, and you will just be writing it the way nga feel ninyo, kay mao-mao man siya tan-awon, dili sa siya maayo, because mahibawan man na it will be obvious if you don't do it right, and yeah, we would know it. Okay, it would be obvious the way things or the way the characters are written. So kinahanglan dili magbuot-buot, follow good. Okay. All right. So I hope you kind of understand why you really need to follow the strokes. All right. So remember, beer, you have to have 4 strokes. Shield, you have to have 2 strokes. Jit, you have 2 strokes. Okay. And then hit, you have 3 strokes. Don't forget that. All right. Next slide. By the way, before we go next, there are still things that we need to remember. Kinahanglan po nato ni siyang hinumduman. Inig mo write gani tag hiyot class. When we write hiyot, everything, these 3, pareho ra na siya. It has the same meaning, okay? Okay. This is equals. But mostly, gamiton, ang Koreans would write this way. Because this one is easier, okay? Or this way also. But this one is a bit difficult kay nga naman kinahanglan pa kamo you need to write through 2 horizontal lines before the circle, but this one is easier, no? So this is recommendable because it's easier and you would write better this way, I believe. But it doesn't mean if you write like this wrong, di pod kung ingon nga write ka ni wrong, sakto ni siyang tulo actually, okay? But we do recommend nga kani mas dali man ni siya ninyo iso. But either way, okay? Next. Now let's try to listen to the following syllables, okay? I will play the audio file twice and then you repeat after the audio file para makapractice mo, okay? All right. Here we go.
가, 가,
Okay, repeat after the audio file. Next.
나, 나,
Okay, next.
다, 다,
Next.
라, 라,
Next.
마, 마,
Okay.
파, 파, 사, 사,
Okay, next.
아, 아, 자, 자, 하, 하,
Okay, so we have ka.
가,
Okay. Na.
나, 다,
Ta.
라,
Ra.
마,
Ma.
파,
Pa.
사,
Sa.
아,
A.
자,
Cha.
하,
Ha. So if you're going to use, kung gamito ninyo class ang Twinkle Twinkle Little Star na song, you can say, Kanatara mabasa aja ha. This is lacking. When I learned the song, I started learning the alphabet, so I learned a song with Kanatara mabasa aja chaka tapaha. Okay, but yeah, you can, this one is just lacking ang syllables, but if you can complete it, you can, use it using the song. You can have this as the lyrics of the song Twinkle Twinkle Star, okay? Kanatara mabasa aja chaka tapaha. Okay, next. All right, so let's try to go next. Okay, so write the following letters. So by the way, just a tip. Okay, kaning naka-circle na circle sa kilid kasi it means correct. Ang kaning naka-X meaning wrong. So kung magsuwat mo ani, kaning giyok it should straight lang ni siya. Though basin nakita mo imura mo siya bend o gamay pero di gina siya bend. Ha, igsuwat ninyo ana, okay, straight and then you go like that. This is correct, okay? Kani grabe man jud ni bend man jud ni sa pagmay. But this is wrong ha because aside mo gi-bend gid niya, gibutang pa gid niya sa gawas ang kaning horizontal vowel. So sayop ni siya. So what you will do is to write it in your notebook. So do this activity. Pag-practice mo og suwat, ang inyong buhaton kung nana mo atong notebook na ay mga square, then it will be better. Pero kung wala, kinahanglan mag-square mo sa inyong notebook kay para mas dali mong makasuwat. So after, I will reveal the the syllables. For now, i-pause sa ninyo. You may pause the video and copy first. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, I believe nakahuman na mo kopya and nakahuman na sad mo og answer. So, let's try to look at unsay mga angay niyong isuwat. So, kani i-follow ha. And then it's the same way giunsa siya pagsuwat diri. And then next, okay. Tan-awon gid nato kung naabay space or gasumpay ba siya para you would know nga unsa di ay ang kuan nga okay ra isumpay. Okay, or itapot, I mean. Okay, please try to take a look at. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, so, kanisha, diba? So, digut, we have digut, and then this one, the O. So, you will write it like this. So, tapot siya, ha? Tanawa ninyo class ang mga combination sa consonant o sa vowel nga na ay tendency nga magtapot. Okay, please try to look at, observe, tanawon. Okay, good. Now, let's try to look at another vocabulary. We have here bogey. Bogey class. Bogey means example, okay? Bogey, example. So here, listen carefully and write the corresponding consonants. So, kani example.
다리,
This one, tari.
다리,
Tari.
다리,
Okay, it's leg. Next, let's have,
지도,
okay, unsa ni? Paminawan yung tarong.
지도,
Cheeto. Okay, let's try to see. Inyong tan-awon ha, unsay, try to answer it if unsa nga consonants yung hibutang diha it is. Okay,
지도,
Cheeto. This one is chip. And then we have digut. Okay, next,
바나나,
banana.
바나나,
Banana, this is, we have B up here. Okay, the neon and another neon. Okay, next, here.
허리, 허리,
Class, this is hori. 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 O, unsa man nga mga consonants? What initial consonants? Alright.
허리,
Okay. Here, and then, okay, real. Next,
가구, 가구,
again,
가구,
kagu. Okay, so what consonant should we write? Okay, it's the giyok, and then we have another giyok, kagu. Kagu, by the way, is furniture, while this one means waist. Okay, hori means waist, kagu means furniture. Next, let's have here. Listen.
마셔요, 마셔요,
Okay, that is masioyo. 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 The first syllable, what initial consonant it would be? Alright, mium. The second one, masioyo, we have shiot, and the last, yo. Okay, iyong because silent. Okay, next. I hope we got it right. Now, let's try to take a look at here new vocabulary for practice. So, what I will do is akong i-play ang audio file, ang inyong buhaton is maminaw, and mo repeat after the audio file, okay?
가구,
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 가구. Next, this is furniture.
나무,
나-
나무,
나무,
Okay, kamo? Yes, namu. Namu is tree. Next,
구두, 구두,
kudu.
구두,
Kudu is
구두.
shoes. Okay, repeat. Kudu.
구두,
Okay, next.
구두,
라디오, 라디오,
라디오,
라디오,
라디오,
Radio. Okay, radio. Radio means okay, radio. Next,
바나나,
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 Okay, banana. All right, banana. Next,
가수, 가수,
kasu.
가수,
Kasu. Okay, kasu, singer. Next,
아기, 아기,
okay.
아기,
Agi. Probably a baby, right? Agi. Next,
바지, 바지,
baji.
바지,
Okay, baji. Pants. All right, pants. Next,
호수, 호수,
hosu.
호수,
Hosu.
호수,
Hosu. Okay, Hosu. Hosu Lake. Next.
나이,
나이,
Nai.
나이,
나이,
Nai. Age. Okay, next.
누구,
누구,
Nugu. Nugu. Who. Nugu. Next.
다리,
다리,
Tari. Tari, it has two meaning. It can either be leg or bridge. Next.
머리, 머리,
머리,
Okay. Mori.
머리,
머리,
Mori. Head. Next item.
모자,
모자,
Moja.
모자,
모자,
Moja. Moja. Moja is hat. Next.
버스,
버스,
Bus.
버스,
버스,
Bus. 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 Okay. Bus is bus. Next.
소, 소,
So.
소,
소,
Oh, so. Unsa maning so? We have what is this one? Look at the picture. That is a buffalo. Okay? That is a yeah, correct. Buffalo. Buffalo, buffalo. So, let me
소,
play again.
소,
Alright, that is so. So. Next.
사자,
사자,
Okay, Saja. Saja class. That is a lion. By the way, always make sure that you don't put a stress or force in the first syllable. Okay. Always make sure, because even I had also mistakes, like that. So hopefully you wouldn't be, getting similar mistake. Oh, this one, so we have here, this one is a cattle. Definitely not funny. Okay, class. So this one, let's repeat first. Ox. Okay. This is not buffalo. Okay.
소,
So,
소,
so cattle. We also have, this is ox. Okay, this ox, and then next is
사자,
사자,
saja. Saja is lion. Saja, lion.
사자,
Saja.
사자,
Okay, next.
주스,
주스,
Juice.
주스,
주스,
Juice.
주스, 주스,
Juice.
주스,
Next.
지도,
지도,
Chido.
지도,
Chido.
지도,
Okay. If you notice, this is a map, right?
하나,
하나,
Hana. Hana. Hana is one. Next.
야구,
야구,
Yagu.
야구,
야구,
Yagu. 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 Baseball. Baseball. Okay, next.
요가,
요가,
Yuga.
요가,
요가,
Yoga. Yoga is yoga. Next.
우표,
우표,
Okay, we have here upyo. Okay, I will play it again. Oh no.
우표,
우표,
Okay, don't forget class, you have to repeat after the audio file. So don't forget to repeat, okay? Upyo. This is upyo. Upyo is stamp. Okay, next.
뉴스, 뉴스,
News.
뉴스,
News.
뉴스,
News.
뉴스,
Okay, obviously news. Next.
휴지,
휴지,
Huge. Tissue.
기도,
Okay.
기도,
Kido.
기도,
Kido. Prayer. Next.
도로,
I'll play it again.
도로,
Toro. Toro. Road. Next.
나비, 나비,
Okay, Nabi. Nabi. Butterfly.
부부,
I'll play it again.
부부,
Bubu. Couple. Okay? Couple.
부부,
Bubu. Next.
비누,
Play it again.
비누,
Binu. Binu. So. Next. You already have this.
마셔요,
One more time.
마셔요,
마셔요. 마셔요. Drinking. Next.
아버지, 아버지,
아버지. 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 Father.
주부, 주부,
주부. 주부. Housewife. Next.
오후,
오후.
오후,
오후. 오후. It's afternoon.
허수아비, 허수아비,
허수아비. 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 It is scarecrow. 허수아비. Scarecrow.
허수아비,
Okay, and the last for this batch.
혀,
One more time.
혀,
혀. 혀. Okay. All right. Now let's try to have this practice. There are words here, and what you will do, ito i-connect kung asa aning picture ang para sa kaniyang words. So number 1, we have moja. Moja. Asa man diri ang moja? Moja we have, okay, we have the kalo. Next, chido. 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 Which is which? Okay, it's the, okay, map. Next, panana. 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 Okay, banana. Next, boss. Boss. Alright, the boss. Wait. Okay, the boss. Next, radio. Radio. Alright, it's the radio. Okay, so probably let's end first here in this video. So, till the next one. Part 7 of 10 for Unit 1 Hangul.